Hello and welcome to Charlie B's Business with me, Charlie B. Today you're here because you're looking for ways to start an affiliate marketing business. So if you are looking for ways to start, maybe you already understand what affiliate marketing is. But in simple terms, affiliate marketing is the promotion of other people's products for a commission. Now, this is why it's such a powerful business model, because you can run it as a side hustle very, very easily. And don't get me wrong, it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a skill-based business, so it takes time to build. You need to build the skills to be able to do it effectively. But absolutely anyone can start an affiliate marketing business, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. Is the basics of how to get started. So first off, with affiliate marketing, like I said, it's a skill-based business, so you need to learn those skills. You may have those skills already, but you need to be able to put them into practice. Now, you can do that for free. You can go and look at videos like this on YouTube and try and find ways to learn how to do affiliate marketing and then try and piece it all together yourself. That can be very, very difficult, very, very time consuming, and a lot of people will drop out very quickly from that method because of the fact that it takes so long to build. People lose faith, they don't think that it's possible for them. All these false beliefs come into play because they're not getting the proper guidance that's needed to build the business. Secondly, you need a product to promote. Now, how you pick a product will be based upon your niche that you're going to pick, and that can be anything. There's affiliate products or affiliate programs for all different niches: health and fitness, dog training, physical products. The one that I like the most is digital products and software products. They're the two that I like the most. There's a reason for that. The reason for that is that the commissions for those type of products generally are in the 50 to 80% commission range, so you can earn very, very good income from those products. Whereas when you look at physical products like Amazon has an affiliate program, and you can go and sign up to that for free. So it's somewhere you can start. But how you would start with the Amazon side is, I'm sure you've seen it all. You do review videos or review blog posts, or write reviews on stuff like laptops, a mouse, anything like that. And then at the end of the post, you'll say, if you want to go and buy this, click on this link, and that link will take someone through to Amazon, and then from Amazon they'll go and purchase, and you'll get a commission. But the problem with that is that the commissions are maximum of around about 12%. And they're not very often that high either. So, on something like a mouse, you're going to earn pence. It's very, very low commission rate. So you've got to sell a lot of stuff to make money. So it can be it's still a very good business model, but to get started, I think it's a lot harder for you to make an income that's enough to show you that it's possible, if you know what I mean. And that's a lot of the issues. That's why a lot of people fail in affiliate marketing, is because they fall out of the game before they give it time to see the success. And you need to give it time. It is a business, and it's going to take time to do. So what you need to do to start affiliate marketing is you need to find that product. My recommendation is digital products and software products, and I'm going to talk to you about what I believe is the best business model for starting affiliate marketing. It is incredibly low barrier of entry. It's surprising how little money you need to invest to get started. Like I said, you can do it for free, but ideally what you want to do is be in a position where you're willing to invest in yourself, and you're willing to put a bit of skin in the game, and then someone who's done it before can show you exactly step by step how to do it. And that's how I started. Back in 2019, I started my affiliate marketing journey. I had no idea what affiliate marketing was. I had no experience of online business at all, and I joined a program that showed me from the basics, like a dummy's guide on how to set everything up step by step, how to set software up, how to set links, how to get affiliate links, how to set up email campaigns, everything like that, step by step. And not just that, I had a whole community of people around me that were willing to help. A massive support structure, and that's what made this business model so powerful, along with something I'm going to discuss in a minute. But there's other ways as well. You don't have to do that at all. You can, again, like you said, you can go and do it for free. You can go on websites like ClickBank or JVZoo, and there are thousands of different products for all different niches in there, and you can go and select one of them, go and get the product, and just start throwing links about. But again, that that way of doing things doesn't work. People very, very rarely, if at all, find success with that method. What you need to do, what I say to everyone that I speak to, everyone that I coach, is that you need to invest in that product that you're planning to promote. You need to consume the whole thing. If it helps you, then you understand what that product is giving, what pain points that product reaches, and you can market that ethically, and you can market it well to the right type of people. You can get in front of the right type of audience. It's a big part of affiliate marketing, is finding the right audience for the products that you're promoting. And the only way to do that, I believe, is to be able to consume the whole product yourself. So if you're a beginner and you're looking to start, why not invest in a program that is going to teach you how to do exactly what you want to do? You want to start an affiliate marketing business, invest in a program that's going to teach you how to do that step by step. If you find it useful, and I'm sure the one that I'm going to recommend to you guys at the end of this video, I'm sure that it will be useful to you, then you can ethically promote that to people just like you that want to start an affiliate marketing business, because you know it works, you know the program works. And not just that, this particular program, it's called partnership strategy. It's the most powerful business model in affiliate marketing, and here's why. It's because you buy into one product at the beginning, and you get commissions for every single product within that program. So the product that I'm talking about, it doesn't just have one program. You know, this program teaches you from basics, but also has more advanced training for people that have had longer term businesses that are finding success, maybe making a couple of $1,000s a month, and they want to start investing in email marketing, or how to build Facebook fan pages, or how to do, you know, multiple other things, how to build other types of business like coaching businesses and all that. And there's training programs in there that are available, and you don't have to buy them, you don't have to pay out for them. But if someone buys that product, you still get commission. So a year down the line, a customer that you've brought into that business, that profit cycle, they could buy another product. So, you know, they're doing pretty well, they're going to buy another product, and then you get commission out of the blue a year down the line. Lovely jubbly, you know. And not just that, but there's also traffic in there as well, and software programs. So as your business scales and you're getting more and more traffic, you need to be able to track all that. You need to start building landing pages, capture pages, and you know, all that sort of stuff. You need to be doing link tracking. That's all software programs that you'll need for that. So there is investments involved as you start to grow a business. You don't need them to start with, but they are very useful to start with, and help you scale a lot quicker once you get everything down in the early stages. But once they buy them programs, those software, even though my mentor, the owner, the creator of the program, doesn't own those products, he still gives you all the commission for it. So you get tied into that as well. So you see what I mean? You can generate multiple streams of income through one single product purchase. This is where it's so powerful, and there's very, very few programs out there that do this. And the program I'm talking about is partnered with Anthony, and my mentor, Anthony Morrison. I've done a review on that as well, so you're welcome to go and look at that. If you check into my channel, I'd love it for you to subscribe, give me a comment below if you found this useful, and I hope that that's helped you realise that it's very, very easy to get started with affiliate marketing. Don't expect success overnight, because that's where a lot of people fail, is they expect to make money overnight. But just to put it in perspective, when I joined PWA, I made my first commission. Bear in mind, I was a complete novice. I made my first commission under 2 weeks. And I grew the business from there. And like I said, it's step by step. Everything is taught to you, everything about every aspect of the business, and it's all transferable skills. So then what I've used it for is then I go off and I use the skills that I've learned in that program to promote other products as well. And that's where it is so powerful. So if you want to check that program out, guys, the link is below this video. Feel free to go and have a look. My mentor's done a video there, and he'll explain all about the program. And I really, really hope that you find success in affiliate marketing, because it's a fantastic way of earning money on the side. I've got kids, I've got family, and I can do that sitting here whilst my kids are playing, you know, out in the back there. And that's how powerful affiliate marketing is. You can just do it on the side, and it's very, very easy to do that and scale a business that way. And then when the time's right, you can give up your day job and live the life of your dreams. Give your family the life they truly deserve. So again, hit the subscribe, check out the link below for my mentors video, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care, guys.